up guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you what a home COVID test looks like in the UK at least. I'm gonna try and keep this video very short and to the point, but I want to start with a quick disclaimer. I don't think this needs to be said, but I'm not a medical professional. The purpose of this video is only to show you what the home test comes with and what to expect if you have ordered one. If you need any information regarding COVID, make sure you check your local government guidelines as well as consult with a real medical professional. The point of this video is not to give you any kind of medical information or advice regarding COVID, and yeah, that's it. The reason why I ordered COVID test is that I have a scratchy throat, and in the UK currently the cases are very low. Also lockdown restrictions are starting to be lifted gradually, so the government here is urging people to get tested even if they don't have severe symptoms, if they think they might have it, even if they don't have any symptoms. I think the point is to try and keep the cases low and prevent what happened after the summer. That's why it's very easy to get tested right now, and I don't personally think I have COVID, but I wanted to be sure, especially since now we're allowed to see people and go outside. I thought that's the responsible thing to do. So how do you get one of these? By the way, this is what the box looks like. You can see here it says NHS test and track or whatever, and here on the side it says COVID-19 self-test. This is a rapid antigen test. Is it antigen or antigen? See, I don't know. Let me check.
Antigen.
Okay, so it's pronounced antigen. So how do you get them? If you Google COVID home test, you're probably gonna end up on the government website. The website is gonna ask you a few questions. They're gonna ask you if you have any of the following symptoms which are considered severe. So one of them was severe coughing, high temperature, high fever, and I think the last one was a loss of smell or and taste. So these are like the more serious symptoms of COVID. I didn't have any of them. If you click that you do, they're gonna tell you that you just need to go straight to a testing center and get a PCR test. And then if you say that you don't have any of those symptoms, you're gonna get one of them. It's gonna ask you for your address, some additional questions, but it literally took several minutes. It costs nothing. It's absolutely free, including delivery, and it comes in 1 to 2 days. I ordered it on Saturday and yesterday was Sunday, so I don't know if they're delivering on Sunday, but it came this morning. Today's Monday, so super fast. The test includes 7 kits. They didn't ask me how many people are in my household or anything like that. They just sent 7, which I mean, I don't mind it. So that was the whole process. You only need to fill in a couple of questions, give your address, and that's it. You don't pay anything, and we can go ahead and open it and see what comes with it. This is the box that it comes with, pretty small. Also, please excuse my nails, they're having a hard time. On the back you have the contents of the entire kit. So this is everything from the box. We can see what exactly we're supposed to be doing here. First of all, you have to prepare your test area, check the test kit contents. Sounds very reasonable. I am ready to go. I wash my hands again, and this is everything that I'm gonna be needing for my test. I guess we can get started. First, we're gonna open the test strip. This is what it looks like, and we're gonna place it here. I'm gonna get one of these tubes already, and then we're gonna open this little guy. I'm just gonna concentrate for a second. Okay. And we're gonna pour it inside the tube. You have to squeeze it. Now's the time for the most unpleasant part, and I'm gonna have to stick this inside my throat and then inside my nose. I'm gonna check the instructions again. I think you have to shove it up your brain, and then you're gonna have to twist it around 10 times. Lovely. Okay, here goes nothing. Is that normal?
Yeah. So now.
Oh, that was delightful. Now that I have the sample, I'm not gonna show you. I have to dip it in the thing and spin it in there for 15 seconds, and then we have to remove the swab and maybe you have to squeeze it out. Okay. We've got that lovely little concoction, is that a word? Yeah. So now that's securely closed, we have to flip it around and drop 2 drops into the little S here. 2. Well, I guess I'm done, and then I need to wait 30 minutes. So I'll see you in 30. Hello again, it has been 30 minutes and here's the test. As you can see, it only has the control strip, which means it's negative. I think I lost my glasses. I'm sure they're somewhere around, but I can't find them. Overall, it's not that big a deal. Yes, it's unpleasant, but it lasts a few seconds and then you're done. And now I know I don't have COVID, so I have peace of mind. And of course, this makes it a safer environment for all of us, that I'm not walking around spreading COVID. If you have any symptoms, make sure you get tested, especially in the UK. It's pretty easy now, and it's, yeah, I guess an experience. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you found this video useful. If you have any questions about COVID or anything like that, again, make sure you check your government guidelines and you also talk to a medical professional. Subscribe and like if you found this video useful, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.
Baby, can you stop hesitating? No more second thoughts.